Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to see messages on Poshmark in 2025. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast buying your next wardrobe staple or a seller closing deals, mastering messages is essential for smooth transactions. Poshmark has evolved a lot by 2025, with new features like AI-powered notifications and enhanced search, making it easier than ever. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have the latest Poshmark app installed on your phone or tablet. This is crucial because 2025 updates include smarter interfaces for better user experience. Open the app and log in with your account details. If you're new, signing up is quick and free. Just enter your email and create a password. Step 1. Once logged in, look for the messages icon. It's usually a speech bubble or envelope at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to access your inbox. You'll see a list of your conversations organized by recent activity. Step 2. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find specific messages or users. In 2025, Poshmark's AI search can even suggest relevant chats based on your past interactions. Pretty cool, right? Step 3. Tap on any conversation to open it. You'll see the full thread of messages, including any attachments like photos of items. Read through, and if you need a quick recap, use the new AI summary feature to get a condensed version. Step 4. Don't forget to check your notification settings if messages aren't showing up. Go to your profile, tap Settings, and ensure alerts are enabled. This will help you stay on top of replies. A quick tip: always respond promptly to build trust and keep conversations flowing. That's it. You're now a pro at viewing messages on Poshmark. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.